Hello everyone, welcome to How to Make Blank in Fusion. You're going to notice something in this video series, and that is every video is going to have the same exact introduction, quite literally this video clip that I'm recording right now. And that's on purpose, right? And that's because whatever I make in Fusion is going to be a screen recording of whatever I make in Fusion, sped up and no narration whatsoever. That's so you can follow along at your own pace, whether you speed up the screen recording, slow down the screen recording, or pause it at certain points. And also so you can listen to music while you do that in the background. I don't like videos of me learning how to make a specific thing in Fusion because I like to listen to music and I don't always need the specific tools and strategies. I quite literally will mute the video and follow along in Fusion while listening or watching something else. So I'm just going to skip out that part and just not have narration in all of these videos after this introduction. Secondly, my way of making something in Fusion is going to be slightly different than someone else's way of making something in Fusion. And that's okay. We all have our own different ways of making it. Next note, if I'm using a specific tool or function or feature of Fusion, I'm going to link where I explain how to use that specific tool, feature, or function in that video. So yeah, if you are confused or lost of what specific tools and functions are used, there's always going to be a video linked to that specific thing, and that's going to be on purpose. Once again, this video is meant for, or this series is meant for how you build specific things in Fusion. For how to do or how to use specific features in Fusion, there's always going to be narration in those videos. Finally, and the rest and the kind of more important things, you get to use Fusion for free if you have an EDU account and you are a student or an educator. So please use that if you are that. If not, pay for it. Yeah, don't know what else to say. I really do like Fusion. I'm a big believer in it. Finally, the most important part, you should really use Fusion with a mouse with clicky-clacky things and a wheel. This will just make it a lot easier, and yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this series. Sorry for the long intro, but it was kind of important. And enjoy the series. Bye, I guess, or welcome to the video. I don't know what to say, but here you go.